Hi friends, if you like my channel, please like, subscribe, share and comment. Also hit the bell icon for chicken chop suey recipe. For following are the ingredients. I'm taking 4 cups of rice here. By now friends, you know how I cook my rice. I've added oil to it so that it nicely separates while I'm serving them. My rice has been cooked, so I'm separating it using a fork so that all the grains are nicely separated. For my chicken chop suey, I'm using a non-stick pan here. I've got water, black pepper, salt, ginger garlic paste, sesame seed oil, stir fry sauce, oyster sauce, seasoning salt, and extra ginger and oil. For my vegetable, I'm using bok choy, carrot, onion, and at the bottom you will see that I've got some bell pepper also inside it. I've got some chilies there at the bottom. I'm using boneless chicken. I'm gonna fry it in oil with seasonings, salt to taste, ginger garlic paste, ginger, and I'm frying it in oil. Once the chicken is nicely fried, I will be adding oyster sauce and a little bit of stir fry sauce, and then I'm going to fry it without adding water at this point. Here are my vegetables. Once the chicken is nicely cooked, then I'm going to add water. These are the vegetables that I'm using for my chop suey as I've shown you. Now I've added the water so that the vegetables are nicely cooked. Not a lot, just a little. And you can see within 5 minutes after adding the vegetables, my chop suey is cooked. I like the vegetables to be half cooked. Hope you like this recipe. Please do subscribe. Thank you.